Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Doom: The Dark Ages. Revelations, if it won't launch, keeps crashing, or closes immediately after starting on your PC. We'll go through several solutions that have helped many players resolve these startup issues. Let's get started. Solution 1. Verify the game files. First, open Steam. Go to your library and locate Doom: The Dark Ages. Right-click the game and select Properties. Click Installed Files. Then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan your installation and automatically repair any missing or corrupted files. Wait for the process to finish, then launch the game and check if the problem has been resolved. Solution 2. Run the game as administrator. If the issue persists, right-click Doom: The Dark Ages in your Steam library and select Properties. Open the Installed Files tab and click Browse. When the game folder opens, right-click Doom: The Dark Ages Revelations.exe and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as an administrator. Also enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now launch the game again. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait while Windows searches for and installs the latest available graphics driver. Once the update is complete, launch the game again. Solution 4. Update your NVIDIA driver. If your PC has an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open the application. Click the Drivers tab. Then click Check for Updates. If a newer driver is available, download and install it. After the installation is complete, try launching the game again. Solution 5. Install the latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. If the game still won't launch, open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down until you find the x86 version. Click vc_redis.x86.exe to download it. Then download vc_redis.x64.exe as well. Once both files have finished downloading, locate them in your Downloads folder. First, double-click vc_redis.x64.exe. Accept the license agreement. Click Yes if prompted. Wait for the installation to complete. Click Close. But don't restart your PC yet. Now, double-click vc_redis.x86.exe. Accept the license agreement. Click Yes if prompted. Wait for the installation to finish. When both installations are complete, restart your computer. After your PC restarts, launch Doom: The Dark Ages Revelations again. The game should now launch normally without crashing. That's all there is to it. One of these solutions should fix the launching or crashing issue in Doom: The Dark Ages Revelations on PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more PC gaming tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and game fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.